Hello and thank you for renting from Lux Disinfect. In this video, we're going to be doing a quick review on how to set up the brandable standing hand sanitizer station. We're going to be breaking this down into two very simple steps. Step one is building the base. So first we're going to attach the base to the stand, but first make sure that the longer portion of the base is at the front of the stand. So attach the base using 6 black screws. Using the Allen key, attach the base to the stand with the screws. And now step number 2 is setting up the hand sanitizer dispenser. Take 2 of the 3 silver screws and attach them to the stand in the top left and bottom hole using a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure they are not screwed in all the way. Take the sanitizer case and using the 2 slotted holes, attach to the stand. Now attach the 3rd remaining silver screw and tighten the rest of the screws. Set up the hand sanitizer dispenser, open up the reservoir, and fill with liquid hand sanitizer. On the inside bottom of the dispenser head, remove the battery caps and input 4 AA batteries. Once done, reattach the battery cap, put the plug back in, and attach the dispenser head to the reservoir. Press the on button for 5 seconds and hold, and then test by waving your hand underneath. Take the filled hand sanitizer in place in the case, close the case, and securely shut it and lock with a key provided. That was easy, wasn't it? Hope you enjoy our product. See you next time.
For more information on the Lux line of disinfecting solutions, visit lux.incharge.com. We're committed to doing all we can to provide you the tools and resources for a healthier and safer world.